This video shows you how to assemble your real-world globes if they come to you as hemispheres. You'll see it comes as two hemispheres and a stand. The first hemisphere has a little lip on the inside and some protruding points. The second one does not have that, but has some holes. What we're going to do is put the first one down on the stand. Then we're going to line up the second one on top. We'll find a mat feature that we can match. And we're going to position the globe just on top of the other, so it's resting on the lip. So we're going to make some fine adjustments to make sure we have the exact alignment. That way the pins will fit into the holes. And we'll try to smooth it all the way around. And what we'll find is that on this end it's not quite fitting in. So the last way to make this fit, the last step, is to give this a good slap on the bottom while holding the top part, and it will be able to snap into the top hemisphere. Here's how we do that. Be careful you don't pinch yourself, but you can also do the same technique for making sure the globe is now sealed all around the equator. As a final step, we can use any kind of tape to tape along the equators to protect the final edges. That's all there is to it.